friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Okay, in a couple of vlogs, I shared with you how to make shake and bake chicken. It's pretty simple, but I always forget about this recipe when I want like a go-to like baked chicken recipe. So I decided that I would take from my last vlog and make a video on how you can make shake and bake chicken. A lot of people asked, what video was that in? So I thought, let's just make a video. So here is my shake and bake recipe. And if you have a shake and bake recipe, please leave it in the comments down below because I love trying new shake and bakes. And if you're new here, hello and subscribe. I'd love for you to join our family. Okay, enjoy. For dinner, I'm gonna make some shake and bake chicken. I am just gonna seriously just add some seasoning in. I mean, I've seen about 1 million recipes. You just put breadcrumbs and just douse it with seasonings. You can't go wrong. Okay, so I have some plain breadcrumbs. Yeah, it's a little over a cup. I've got a lot of chicken, so I have some Italian breadcrumbs. I'm just gonna use what I have. I'm gonna do a cup of that. And that already has some seasonings in it, but we're definitely gonna add more to that. I'm gonna add some salt. This is a teaspoon, so about 1.5 teaspoons of salt, about 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, teaspoon of sugar, teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, little over a teaspoon of poultry seasoning, teaspoon of parsley, teaspoon of basil, teaspoon of oregano, about 1/2 teaspoon of seasoned salt. Okay, you're gonna mix that really well. If you would like to get these bag holders, I'll leave a link down below for you. All right, let's get our chicken going. Okay, I have a combination of drumsticks and bone-in chicken thighs. I have a baking sheet with parchment paper ready to go. I've already patted down my chicken and I'm gonna dip it into the mixture and put it on the baking sheet. I have my oven set to 425 degrees. So what you're gonna do is dip your chicken into the mixture and then you're gonna shake it off. Shake it, baby, shake it. And then you're gonna bake it. Shake the excess off. Look at that, it's nice and coated. And get it on your baking sheet. I have 4 chicken thighs left over, and I'll make Derek up something another night or use it in another recipe. Now you can't use this again, you gotta dump it because it has the chicken in there. I'm gonna leave a note so the next time I make this much chicken, I could cut down the breadcrumbs. I'm gonna keep an eye on this, but again, my oven is at 425 and I'm gonna cook it anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes and I'll keep an eye on it. Okay, here is dinner tonight. I just realized it's a parent-teacher meeting at the little kids' school, so I need to get going. So we did the shake and bake chicken with macaroni and cheese and green leaves. We're going old school, basic tonight for dinner, and that's just gonna work for us. And it's so yummy, it's crispy. Oh, the chicken is so good. All right, you guys, thank you so much.